how it should. Like, so we're going out for breakfast. Doss got off this morning, can't sleep. I gotta work at 10. Right now it's 8:30, I believe. And beautiful day. But we're going out to Ricky's for some breakfast. Should be good. Haven't done it in a while.
We're gonna fucking send it down here, bud. Oh, maybe I can. Oh, we're gonna pull over so this car can pass.
Oh no.
This is how it's done.
You know he's not messing around. We have to pull over to let the car back.
Hey, how's it going, guys? It's 12 valve Cummins. Just giving you guys a little bit of a truck update. Haven't made a video in a long time, so I thought I'd just make a little video and show you the upgrades that I've done recently here. 3 to 6 inch tip. It's pretty nice. It's like 60 bucks. A lot better than the one that's in there. Tinted the windows a while ago. Got some new LED headlights. These things are actually super bright. I got 2 of these stickers for 10 bucks. So I slapped that on there. Represent locally hated trucks. These are what the LED lights look like. They're too bright to show you, but it's got a black internal housing there. Super bright. They're DOT approved. All LEDs inside here as well. So it's pretty bright. But I think that this thing sounds definitely a lot louder compared to what it was before. Eventually I want to do like true 4-inch turbo back. This is only 3-inch to 6-inch, so eventually I'll do 4-inch turbo back, but for now it'll do.